Imagine closing your eyes and falling asleep instantly every night into a deep, restful 8 hours sleep. It seemed impossible for me too until I started to incorporate some of these techniques. Now I share these 15 strategies with all my clients to help them optimize that big pillar of longevity, their sleep. Don't miss any of them if you're looking to optimize your sleep too. First up, we've got temperature regulation. Creating a cool bedroom can really help optimize deep quality sleep. Our bodies need to cool down by about 2 degrees in order to enter a really deep sleep. So keeping a cool bedroom by leaving the window open, reducing the thermostat, or by using breathable bedding can really help speed up this drop in body temperature, ensuring that we go quickly into a deep sleep. Secondly, you want to avoid eating too close to bedtime. This can negatively impact our circadian rhythm, really disrupting our sleep quality. Heavy meals, particularly those rich in proteins and fats, can be difficult to digest, creating issues with falling asleep. Best advice for this is to finish your last meal 3 to 4 hours before bedtime. And number 3, we've got bedroom activities. You want to keep your bedroom a sanctuary just for sleep and for sex, avoiding mentally stimulating activities like working, studying, or using your device, as these can negatively impact our ability to come to a restful state prior to sleep. Establishing a bedtime routine that actively excludes these activities is vital for sleep. This means not only stopping them an hour at least before you go to bed, but also not engaging them at all in the bedroom, as this otherwise creates a mental association between being and the bedroom, which is something we really want to avoid. And number 4, we've got caffeine management. Now, caffeine is a really powerful stimulant that can interfere with our sleep if consumed too close to bedtime. So have your caffeine earlier on in the day if you want to avoid sleep disturbances and ensure good quality night's sleep. And you need to be mindful of hidden sources of caffeine too. There's your obvious things like your energy drinks and your coffee. But did you know that caffeine's also in chocolate? My advice is to have your last caffeine hit at least 8 hours before you go to bed. Longer too if you're sensitive to caffeine. And number 5 is a big one, and that's reducing blue light exposure near to bedtime. This is because blue light suppresses the production of melatonin, which is the hormone that regulates our sleep-wake cycles. And this is a natural phenomenon as the sun produces its maximum blue light during the middle of the day, which signals us to keep awake and alert. However, in our modern environment, things like our phones, our TVs, our laptops, they all emit a lot of blue light, which can really interfere with our sleep if we continue watching them right up towards bedtime. So minimizing blue light exposure in the evening ensures that our bodies produce melatonin, which signals us to start the process of sleep and relaxation. One way that you can do this is through switching your devices onto anti-blue mode or nighttime mode. You can also try swapping out the LED bulbs at home for incandescent bulbs, or invest in a set of blue light blocking glasses. These will all help reduce your blue light exposure and ensure that your body gets the right signals to start that process of sleep. At number 6, it's a simple one, and that's just investing in good quality mattress and bedding. We spend up to a third of our lives sleeping. So you want to make sure the environment you've got is as best as it can be. Choosing something that's comfortable for you and aids a proper sleep position and really help optimize your sleep quality. At number 7 on our list, we've got noise management. Creating a peaceful and quiet sleep environment is really key to helping ensure we have a restful, deep night's sleep. You can try things like a white noise machine or using fans, which can help drown out ground noise, ensuring you've got a peaceful, calm environment. Another simple trick is the standard earplug. Cheap but effective. It can help drown out some of the background noises that help lift us out of deep sleep, which, whilst they might not wake us completely, really do have an impact on our overall sleep quality. The 8th tip that you might want to try is to really make sure your bedroom is as dark as it can be, eliminating any internal sources of light like devices or lights, and then making sure you reduce the external light as much as you can. Investing in a simple set of blackout blinds can be a great investment to this, helping prevent any light from entering the bedroom. As dawn breaks, light comes through and the signal from the light starts waking our body up. So reducing this helps you stay asleep as long as you need to. And you can double up on this by investing in a good quality sleep mask to really make sure that no light reaches your eyes, which is where our main source of photoreceptors lie and where we're most sensitive to that incoming light. The 9th tip is to keep your feet comfortable. Maintaining optimum temperature and comfort in our feet can help trigger relaxation, signaling to our body that it's time to go to sleep. And interestingly, research has shown that heating up our feet prior to going to bed can help us go to sleep faster. And wearing socks whilst we sleep may help us sleep for longer. And number 10 is listening to our body. Now, paying attention to our body's natural sleep cues can help us establish a healthy sleep routine. So going to bed when we feel tired and not forcing ourselves to stay up and awake are key to helping ensure we have a healthy sleep routine and good quality sleep. And number 11, it's ensuring that we engage in calming activities in a couple of hours before we go to bed. Firstly, this is avoiding actively stressful things like work or potential arguments, as these are strongly stimulating both physiologically and mentally. And this can persist long after the events occurred, negatively impacting our sleep. Instead, we want to engage in actively calming activities, anything that we can do to help our mind unwind. For me, this is things like reading a book or playing a piano, but it's anything that you find calming, that your mind unwind and get away from those ruminative thought patterns that can persist when our head hits the pillow. Next up, it's about recognizing if you're truly unable to sleep. Tossing and turning whilst trying to go to sleep can just create greater frustration and anxiety about lack of ability to sleep. So if you recognize that you're not able to fall asleep, best thing to do is to get out of bed, engage in some relaxing activities until you feel tired, and then get back into bed, reducing that anxiety and ensuring you can get into a deeper calm. At 13, it's about exercising smart. Physical activity can help promote better quality and longer sleep by promoting relaxation and reducing stress. However, it's really important to time it right, avoiding vigorous exercise in the few hours before we go to bed due to the increased stimulation it gives us. However, instead, relaxing activities like walking or certain types of yoga can be a great way to help calm down and induce the relaxation important to help ensure optimum sleep. My 14th tip is essential oils, which have been shown to have a really powerful effect on sleep quality. Lavender is the big one, known to promote sleep quality and duration, but there are others too, like ylang ylang and chamomile, which can have a really positive effect. Great way to use them is to get an organic essential oil, use it in a diffuser, turn this on for half an hour before you go to bed. So when you enter your bedroom, you've got this peaceful, relaxing sense, which have been shown to help promote sleep and also create that greater association between the smell and sleep itself, which over time, as you then just experience the smell, it can promote sleep and relaxation. And at 15 on our list of sleep optimization tips, we've got supplements. I take a supplement blend in the evening to help ensure good quality night sleep. This is based on ingredients shown by research to have a positive impact on sleep quality and duration. And some of the big ones that you might want to consider are glycine, GABA, L-theanine, magnesium, ashwagandha, chamomile, and sour cherry. And if you found this useful, please hit that subscribe button. I release regular videos about health optimization and longevity.